Hey guys, welcome back to RAC, where we talk all things music production and sound. Today we are diving into our series on music business and going over music publishing. I'm Dariana Everett, a singer, songwriter, producer, and RAC grad. Let's get into it. Music producers have become an integral part of the music industry, as they are responsible for creating and producing music for artists, movies, TV, and other media platforms. However, the process of publishing music can be quite complex and confusing, which is why music publishers play a crucial role in the music industry. In this video, we will explore the world of music publishing, including the process of publishing music, the role of music publishers, as well as different types of music publishers. Publishing music involves the legal and administrative process of protecting and monetizing a musical work. This process includes registering the copyright of the music, negotiating licensing agreements and licensing the music for various uses, and collecting the royalties for the use of the music from various sources. These sources can include radio airplay, streaming services, sync placements in TV, movies, or commercials, and sheet music sales. The process of publishing music can be time-consuming and complicated, which is why many artists and producers rely on music publishers to handle these tasks. Music publishers typically take a percentage of the revenue generated from these various sources as payment for their services, which can range from 10 to 50% depending on the deal you sign. One of the main functions of music publishers is to help songwriters protect their intellectual property. This can involve registering the song with a performing rights organization, or what we call pros. This is like ASCAP or BMI in the States, or the Canadian alternative of SOCAN. This then ensures that the songwriter is paid whenever the music is performed in public. In addition to protecting the rights of the songwriters, music publishers also help promote their music and connect them with other artists and industry professionals. They may also provide funding for songwriters to create new works or help them secure recording contracts, negotiating deals with record labels, radio stations, and other media outlets to ensure that your music is getting the exposure that it deserves. It's worth noting that there are different types of music publishers, including major publishing companies, independent publishing companies, and self-publishing options for artists who want to retain more control over their music. Each type of publisher will have its own strengths and weaknesses, and it's important for songwriters to carefully consider their options before signing with a music publisher. Types of music publishers. There are several types of different music publishers that specialize in different areas of the music industry. Here are some of the most common types of music publishers. Major music publishers. Major music publishers are large companies that manage and own a vast catalog of musical works. They have significant presence in the music industry and work with a wide range of artists, producers, and songwriters. Examples of major music publishers include Sony ATV, Warner Chappell, and Universal Music Publishing Group. Independent music publishers are smaller companies that often specialize in specific genres or niches within the music industry. They often have a more personalized approach and will work closely with artists and producers to develop their careers. Examples of independent music publishers include Cobalt Music Group, Downtown Music Publishing, and BMG. Production music libraries. Production music libraries are companies that specialize in providing music for TV, movies, commercials, and other media platforms. They offer a vast catalog of pre-recorded music that can be licensed for various uses. Examples of production music libraries include Audio Network, Killer Tracks, and Extreme Music. There are also music publishers that are hyper-focused on specific genres or niches. For example, there are music publishers that are exclusively working on hip-hop or rap, while others will specialize in electronic music or rock. These music publishers have a deep understanding of their niche, making them an excellent choice for artists who want to get their music in front of a specific audience. Administrative music publishers. Administrative music publishers are companies that provide administrative services to music creators, such as registration, licensing, and royalty collection. They do not own the rights to your music, but they handle the legal and administrative tasks involved in music publishing. Examples of administrative publishers include Songtrust, Centric Music, and TuneCore. And of course, there's always the option for songwriters to self-publish. We will be doing a whole video in the future on how to self-publish, so stay tuned. Music publishing is a vital part of the music industry that can help you get your music in front of the right people. By working with a music publisher, you can ensure that your music is getting the exposure that it deserves, while also benefiting from their expertise and resources. Whether you choose to work with a major or independent publisher, or a publisher that specializes in your genre, or even self-publishing, the key is to find a partner that understands your vision and helps you achieve your goals. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. We come out with new content every week. I'll see you in the next one.